What's up, guys? Back with another metal detecting video. I'm back in the same area that I found the Indian head penny over there. It's just right by the pond. But I think I'm gonna start on this side for today. And then I'll probably go in the field after I search this little stretch right here. So let's get to it. Gonna try to avoid the iron today, probably. For the most part. Oh yeah, this is my first metal detecting video that I actually am using the GoPro. I think the last time I recorded one was right before Christmas. This one's jumping in the 60s, 70s, sometimes 50s. Oh, I'm on it. What do you know? Shotgun shell. Kind of expecting a lot of these over here. One place I'd love to try to metal detect at is like creeks in the mountains. There's like really shallow creeks, like where you do trout fishing and all that. I would love to get in there because this is waterproof up to the like housing unit or whatever. Yeah, I just really like metal detecting in the water. Like down there was that one creek I did it at over here, but that was like I mean, I want to have like a legit creek, like a nice creek in the mountains. Like, it's just different. It's like a different kind of creek. These are like off-brand creeks. Actually, one time I did metal detect in this little creek at a park. It went under this bridge, and I found a bunch of coins, like pennies and dimes. They were like kind of stuck in the crack of this rock, so they had to have been there for a while. And then down a little ways, there was a bigger bridge, and I actually found some foreign coins under there. I don't know exactly what kind, where they're from, but that was my favorite find from there. Oh yeah, I also found a little, like an anklet or something. Had a little metal flower charm on it. Made a rope or string. It's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna move to the other side, into the field. I'm not having too much luck on this side. Mostly just a bunch of cans and aluminum and tin, stuff like that. That's cool. A little piece of pottery right here. Porcelain. It's pretty thick. I'm actually gonna work my way to the tree line over there. Hey! It's a peanut. It's unopened. I think I might have to have a little snack real quick. Oh yeah, look at that. A little Virginia peanut. It's actually kind of sweet. Oh my god. I am slow. My detector wasn't even on the whole time. In the past 2 minutes. Well, I'm guessing we wouldn't have found anything, I guess, because the metal detector was off. Oh well. I was wondering why I wasn't getting any iron signals for a while. Okay, that could be good. About 60, 70 signal. This could be good, or it just could be big garbo. Oh my god, dude. Don't catfish me again. What is that? Could just be scrap metal. I thought it was a coin. Dang. Dang it, dude. Bro, I stay getting catfished. Oh my gosh. I thought it was a button. Look, it's like really rounded on that side and flat. Oh my gosh. Oh god, these spikes. Sheesh. It's been real quiet. I have a feeling if I ever do find something back here, it'll either be really old or from people hunting. It's kind of like a dip in the ground right here. It's kind of like a little trench. Maybe water comes running through here sometimes, or maybe it used to. So here's the water right here. Just seems to be a little pool where the water builds up. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, it's pretty clear over here. Looks like just over there, there's a big old ditch. I might try to get around this water and try to search that real quick. If I do detect anything in this water, I probably can't get it anyway. It would be cool though. I think there's a stump right here. Probably jump on that and get across. Yep. Oh, it's wet over here. God. Oh, that is cool. There's some metal things in there. Oh, no way. No way, dude. There's a bunch of bottles. Let's go. Oh my god. That is cool. What is it? National Distillers. I don't see a brand. That's awesome, dude. Some kind of alcohol bottle. Dude. I think these are twist caps. But that is still cool. There's a ton of it too. Oh, this is Clorox. Clorox in a glass jar. That is awesome. What is this? Caro syrup. No way. Got some syrup in a glass jar. Yeah, there's a lot of metal cans and stuff too. Oh, yeah, it's a paint can right here. I think some kind of similar can. I'm interested to see what that is. Blue thing. It's definitely broken. I'm not sure if it's metal. Oh yeah, it is metal. Oh, this is so cool. No way. That is awesome. Look at that. It's like some kind of pot or some kind of pour. I don't know what it was used for, but that is awesome, dude. Some more Clorox. Dude, the cap's still on this one. This might be bleach in here. I was just trying to smell it, but it doesn't really smell like anything. This one has the writing on it still in the cap. That is awesome. Oh, wait. Oh, no way. Dude, I'm definitely keeping this one. It's really tiny. Hope this ain't cracked. Oh, no way, it's not. I wish I could tell what it is. Oh, here's another tiny bottle. Please don't be broken. Yes. Dude, this one's cool too. It's just like a little cylinder. I wish I knew what that little logo is. It's like round with a diamond in it. Might be a letter inside of it, but I can't really tell what it says. Ah, oh, no way. That's an awesome bottle. Wonder what kind of liquid that was. Oh, you can actually smell it. Yeah, but you can definitely tell whatever it was. Still in there. Not anymore. I want to know what this big thing is. Try not to cut myself. It seemed like it was round. Oh, no way. That's awesome. Okay, so here's another piece of the round thing over there. Oh, it's another big jar. Dude, that thing was huge. Oh, it actually says something right here. Oh, it says 1 gallon. I wonder if that was for milk. Or something. I don't know. Dude, if this was the full jar, I would definitely be taking it. That is so cool. Gosh, I wish that thing was in contact. Guys, No way. Dude, let's go. Let's go. Yes. That is awesome. There's a bunch of bones right here, and when I seen that, I got excited. I knew there had to be a skull around here somewhere. Dude, this is an awesome day. Let's go. It was just right over by the bottles. I was going to rinse off that big bottle for like the thumbnail or whatever. Take a picture of it. I seen this thing sitting here upside down. I thought it was just a skull, and I seen one of the antlers poking out. Let's go. I'm so excited for that. That is so awesome, dude. Let's go. Yeah, look at this jar, nice and cleaned up. It's awesome. Let's go. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. I know I did. I enjoyed making it. We found a lot of cool stuff, especially towards the end. Earlier we just kept getting catfished by them shotgun shells. I kept thinking they were like coins and buttons and stuff, but they weren't. But yeah, we definitely found a lot of cool bottles and jars and stuff like that. And then at the very end found this. It was probably my favorite thing of all day. I'm so happy I've got this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.